Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how you can easily change your life. Start by identifying one specific area you truly wish to improve, perhaps your fitness or a new skill. Then, set a clear, measurable goal. Aim to walk 5,000 steps daily or dedicate 30 minutes to learning a new language each morning. Break this larger goal into very small, actionable steps you can begin today. To truly embed change, focus on micro habits, tiny actions you can easily do every single day. Try drinking 1 glass of water immediately after waking up or reading just 1 page of a book before bed. These small, consistent efforts build momentum over time. The key is making them so simple you cannot fail, ensuring daily success. Remember, consistency is far more powerful than intensity. Your mindset plays a crucial role in any lasting change. Begin by practicing daily gratitude, perhaps listing 3 things you are thankful for each morning. Actively challenge negative self-talk by reframing thoughts. Instead of saying "I can't," try "I am learning." Cultivating a resilient and positive outlook helps you navigate challenges, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth. This mental shift is incredibly empowering. Periodically, take time to review your progress, perhaps once every 4 weeks. Reflect on what worked well and what might need adjusting in your approach. Life is dynamic, so be flexible with your plans. It is perfectly fine to pivot if something is not serving you. Remember to celebrate every small victory along the way, reinforcing your commitment and building confidence for the journey ahead. Your sustained growth is truly remarkable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.